update on Tractor Disaster. She's all together and running. Yeah, I wasn't going to make a video. It was actually up front listed, but I figured, what the heck, I'll upload a video of it all together. Because if you watch the other video, this thing was blown apart. I'd have to say, by far, that tractor right there was the worst condition tractor I've ever got in the shop. Upper drive belt was the only thing I had to buy brand new. Had a deck belt, had lower drive belt, had brackets and bolts, and thing was a disaster, but it's all together now. Alrighty, you guys have a good day, night, afternoon, morning, whatever. Bye.